Yes. Good morning, children. So how are you? Are you all fine? Yes? Good. So after 2 days break, we are back with the class. And today, this is your maths class. Which class is this? This is your maths class. And do you know my name? Do you all know my name? Yes? Acha, how many of you know my name? Please raise your hand and tell me. If you know my name, then raise your hand. Ah, you don't know me? Okay. So my name is Maggie Acharya. Okay. What is my name? My name is Maggie Acharya. And what I will teach you? I will teach you maths. Okay. So in today's class, we'll start the topic. So what is the topic for today? Before that, let's discuss the date. Okay, class. See, today the date is 15/4/2021. Okay, this is class 1 maths class, and today's we will take the topic that is write in words. Now, what is this? What is write in words? Write in words means you have to write the number name. You have to write the spelling of the name, okay, of number. For example, if I write 1 here, okay, and I ask you to write in word, then you will write the spelling of 1. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. Okay, let's see. So students, today from the very starting, we will do the work in the rough copy. Okay, ma'am will write here and you have to copy it. Okay, so take out your rough copy and be ready with your pencil and eraser. Sharp your pencil first. I'm giving you time. Okay, you take your rough copy, take your pencil, eraser, sharp your pencil and be ready. Are you ready now? Okay. Open a new page in your copy. New page means the page on which you have not done anything. Okay. The very next page. Till now you have done your work. So just open the next page on which we can do the new work. Okay. First, please write date 15/4/2021. Write date there. Okay. Then in the first line, the first blue line, I'm not talking about the red or the pink line. In the first blue line, we will write question. Okay. So in your copy, you can see a margin like this. ऐसे margin होगा आपकी copy में, है ना? So you write Q here. On the left side of the margin, write Q. And here we will write the question. What is the question? Write in WORDS, words. Okay, write in words. This is the question. Full stop. Now, in the next line, you will leave one full line, and after that, in the next line, in the next block, you will write 1 like this. Then in the next block, you will put a dash like this. And in the third block, you will write the spelling of 1. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1, right? So like this, you have to write. So start writing with me. After doing this, leave one line again. Then in the next line, write 2. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O, 2. Then 3. After 2, again, you have to leave one line. Okay. Now what you have to do is, after writing the spelling of the numbers, you have to leave one line. Okay. After every number, you have to leave one line. Is it okay? Okay. Okay. 3. What is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E. 3. Then again leave one line and write 4. And the spelling of 4 is F. You have to put a line like this, okay? If you will not put this line, it will look like T. And if you'll put this line like this, then it will become F. Okay, this is T for tiger and this is F for fish. Okay, so spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R. 4. Then again leave one line and write F-I-V-E. 5. Okay. Now see children, on my board, the space is not left now. Okay, I don't have space here. So I cannot write 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here. So what I will do is, I will write it here because I have space here. Okay. But in your copy, what you have to do? In your copy, I know you have space. Okay. In your copy, you have space. So what you have to do? You have to write it just after 5. After 5 only you will write 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. Okay. Till 10 you will write in your copy in the same line, this line. Okay. Is it clear? सबको समझ में आया? आया? Good. क्या करना है? 5 के नीचे ही 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 लिखना है क्योंकि आपकी कॉपी में स्पेस है. एंड मैम ऐसा नहीं कर सकती है क्योंकि मैम के बोर्ड पे स्पेस नहीं है. ओके ओके. सो आफ्टर 5 आई एम राइटिंग 6 हियर. लेट मी ड्रॉ अ लाइन. दिस लाइन इज नॉट इन योर कॉपी एंड आपको बनाना भी नहीं है. ओके ओके. SIX 6. Then SEVEN 7. Then EIGHT 8. One minute, okay? Oh man, you should see in the starting only then. मैंने क्या खोला मैम? Yes, class 1A and 1B. I hope your problem is solved now. Okay, let's start now. See, it is 1 ONE1. This is 2 TWO2. This is 3 THREE3. This is 4 FOUR4. This is 5 FIVE 5. This is 6 SIX6. This is 7 SEVEN 7. This is 8 EIGHT 8. Okay. Then 9 NINE 9. Then 10 PEN 10. Okay. Now I am giving you time. Please write. Okay, there are some new students also. So for all, I should give one information that you have to do your work in rough copy. Okay, the new students will also do the work in rough copy. Is it clear? Okay. Children, you have to do your work nicely, okay, in good handwriting, but do it fast also, because we'll take the next numbers now then. Okay, so just do it fast. Yes, I hope you have done it. Okay, so I'm rubbing it. Okay. Now see, after 10, what will come? Huh? What will come after 10? 11. So let's make this one 11. How? By putting a 1 here. So now what it is? It is 11. In the same way, now it is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. In the same way, this is 16 now. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. Then 2 0 20. Okay. Now what you have to do? As I know that first page that you were doing, on which you were doing your work, is finished now. So just open the next page. On the next page, you have to write from 11 to 20. You don't have to write the question again. आपको question वापस नहीं लिखना है. Just take the next page, and on the next page, write the counting from 11 to 20. And then we will write the spelling. Okay. Then we will write the number names. 1 minute class. Class C and class D, class 1C, 1D, are you able to hear me? Beta, please raise your hand and tell me. Can you hear me all? You all can hear me? Everyone raise your hand if you can hear me. Okay, okay. Thank you. Yes. Now what I was saying, I was telling you that what you have to do, how you have to do this work now. Hai na? So after finishing 1 to 10 spelling, we will open a new page, and on that page we will write 11 to 20, and you don't have to write the question again. Question हमने एक बार लिख दिया है, तो हमें बार-बार नहीं लिखना है. Okay? So let's write the spelling of these numbers now. So do you know the spelling of 11? Do you know the spelling of 11? Yes? Very good. So we will write it. Write capital E, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Okay? Write capital E, then write the full spelling. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Okay? Then again you have to leave one line, and you have to write the spelling of 12. So write 12, then in the next block, write dash, put a dash, and then write the spelling. Okay, children, one more thing. This 1 and 2, you have to write in, you have to write this number in two box. Okay, don't use one box for this. Acha, now you are asking me, ma'am, what you are saying. Okay, let me show you. See, in your copy, you have box like this. Okay, you have box like this, right? So you don't have to write it like this. In one box, you don't have to write 12 like this. This is wrong. Don't do like this, okay? What you have to do is, like this, boxes are there. So in one box, write 1, and in the other box, write 2. So you have to use 2 box for writing this number 12, 13, 14, for writing all the numbers, okay? This is right and this is wrong. Is it clear? अच्छा, ये उतारना नहीं है, ये मैम आपको समझा रही है, ठीक है? हमें ऐसे नहीं लिखना है, हमको ऐसे लिखना है. In one box we have to write 1 and in the other box we have to write 2. Are you doing like this? Good. Okay, let's write the spelling of 12 now. Capital T, T-W-E-L-V-E. Okay, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Then 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Now from here, from 13, you have to write T-E-E-N, teen, in all the numbers. Okay, so from here, you have to write T-E-E-N, teen, in all the numbers, okay? In 13 also you will write teen. In 14 also you will write teen. In 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Till here we will write T-E-E-N, teen, in all the numbers, okay? But we will not do the same for 20. In 20 we will not write teen. Is it clear? Okay. Now see, this is 1, 4, 14. So what we will do? We will write the spelling like this. F-O-U-R, for, then T-E-E-N, teen, 14. Okay. So here you have to write the spelling of 4 first, then add teen. Okay. Next, 15. This spelling is different. You have to learn this spelling. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Okay. See, if we talk about the numbers from 11 to 15, then you have to learn the spelling of 15, 13, 12, and 11. But this spelling is easy because you know the spelling of 4. You just have to add teen, T-E-E-N, teen. So this you don't have to learn. This you know. Just have to remember it. Okay, that you have to do like this. Let's come to the next block now. Again, let me tell you, don't write like this in your copy, okay? In your copy, after 15 only, you will write 16, then 17, 18, 19, okay? I don't have a space here. That's why I'm doing like this. Is it clear? In your copy, you have to write 16 just below 15 after leaving one line, okay? Yes, what is the spelling of 16? It is again easy. Write S-I-X-6, then write T-E-E-N, teen, okay? S-I-X-T-E-E-N, teen, 16, okay? Then 17. It is again easy. Just write the spelling of 7 first. S-E-V-E-N, 7, and add teen, T-E-E-N, teen. Okay. Next, 18. Again, it is easy. Write E, then write I-G-H-T, then add E-E-N, 18. Okay. Now write 19. Some of the students are not writing, okay? We all can see you that you are not writing, or you are playing, or you are not paying attention. So please keep writing. Okay, ma'am is doing some important work. All the other students are doing, then why you are not doing? Start writing. And mama and papa will not write for you, okay? You have to do your work on your own. Your mother or your father will not do your work. It is your work, you have to do it. I know you are smart, right? You are smart also and you are strong also. You can do your work, right? Are you smart? Yes. Are you strong? Yes. So who will do your work? You will do your work, okay? Mummy, Papa, Didi, Bhaiya, they will not do your work, okay? You have to do your work on your own. Very good. Are you doing it on your own now? Very good. Okay, now we will write 19. N-I-N-E, 9. Then T-E-E-N, teen, 19. Now the last spelling is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Okay? Now in this line, you have to learn the spelling of 20, and all the other spellings are easy because you know the spelling of 6, 7, 8, and 9. You just have to add teen, 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 teen. Okay? So just write, I'll give you time now. Okay? No one will ask their mother or father to write in the copy. Okay? If you will not write in your copy, then I will not check your copy. If you will write in your copy, you will get good marks. If your mother will write in your copy, you will get 0 marks. Is it clear? So you have to do your work, beta. And if you are feeling hungry, then you can eat after the class. Okay, we will give you 10 minutes break, and in that break, you can eat. Okay, so just focus on study right now. Okay, so I hope you have done. So I'm rubbing it now. If in case you have not done, then we will be uploading this video on YouTube also. So from there, you can watch the video again and you can complete your work. So don't worry, okay? Yes. Now, on just open a new page, we will do a different question now. Till now, we were writing in words. We were writing the spellings, right? Now we'll do the opposite of it. Now the question is write in figure. Write in figure. Write in figure means what I will do is I will give you the spellings and you have to read those spellings and you have to write the number. Okay, this is this question. For this question, open a new page. On that new page, in the first line, first blue line, write Q, then write the question, this which is write in figure. Okay, then I'm writing some spellings and you have to write the answers. Okay, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Okay. Now for doing this question in exam, it is important that you learn the spellings of these numbers. Because if you will learn the spellings, then you will be able to read it. Okay? Like E-L-E-V-E-N. What it is? 11. Yes. So if you can read it, then you can write the number also. You know this is 11, then what you will do, you will write 1, 1, 11 in front of it like this. Okay, this is the question. Now next, SEVEN. What it is? 7. Yes. So how you will write 7? Like this. 7. Okay. Now next, NINETEEN. What is this? 19. Okay. So we will write 1, 9, 19. Okay. Then TWENTY. 20. So 2, 0, 20. Then TWO. What is TWO? 2. So you will write 2. Okay. So do this work now. Is it clear? Do you know how you have to do this question? This question can come like this in the exam also. Okay. So prepare yourself for this question. And how you will prepare yourself for this question? By learning the spellings. Okay. So write it again and again and again. You don't have to sit in a corner and you have to learn like this, NINE 9, NINE 9, NINE 9. No, no, no. Just keep on practicing. Write every day, just write 1 to the spelling of 1 to 10. Next day, you can write the spelling of 11 to 12, 11 to 20. Okay, so like this practice. The more you will practice, the more you will keep it in your mind. Okay, just write down. I'm giving you time. Okay, I hope you have done. Children, see, ma'am is giving you enough time. Okay, I am writing here, then I'm giving you time also to write. So you write with me. Okay, pay attention, give your full attention here and write. Okay, don't look here and there, don't eat, don't talk. You do your work with ma'am. Okay, you're getting sufficient time. Okay, now the last thing is the table of 2. That you have to do again on a next page. Okay, write table. TABLE. Okay, and in the first line you will write like this. See, you have blocks like this. So in each and every block you have to write a different thing. Okay, like here you will write 2, then multiply 1 is equal to 2. Like this you have to write. Okay, then you have to leave a full line. Then in the next line again you will write the table like this. 2 2s are 4. Like this you have to write. Okay, then 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. Okay, let me write here. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, and 2 10s are 20. Okay. So this was the work for today's class. This table we have done in the end. You can do it from YouTube also. This is a kind of revision that we are doing. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to complete this table, and class, you have to learn it also. You have to learn the spellings. You have to learn the table. And in maths, how we learn? By practice. The more you will practice, the better you will learn. Okay. So keep on practicing. This is the only mantra that I'll give you for maths. Okay, for maths, if you will practice more, you'll learn more. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, bye and be safe. And thank you for today's class.